Namaste student, this is Khushbu Jha. Welcome to class 12th geography and the chapter 2nd and chapter is the world population distribution density and growth. So if you remember in previous video we have to discuss about what is population. Afterward we have to discuss about population growth and which type of factor affect population growth, and we have to discuss about the basic concept also, some few definitions. With the help of those definitions we try to understand ki what is basically the meaning of population, average rate of population, growth rate of population, natural population. So these type of things we already discussed in the previous video. Okay, afterward we have to discuss about the density also. Okay, what is the definition of the density, which type of factors affect the density. So these parts we already wind up in the previous video. Now in this video we have to discuss about some components of population change. So now come to that, which type of components we have to discuss through this video. So here is mentioned, first one is birth rate. So basically here is mentioned three types of components to change the population. So first one is birth rate, okay. Second one is death rate. Afterward migration, okay. So birth rate, in another way we have to tell CBR. So first of all here try to understand what is the meaning of CBR. CBR means C for crude birth rate. It means number of birth is okay, ठीक है, birth हो रहे हैं, but sometimes child death also at the time of the immediately born in time, ठीक है. तो here is mentioned crude, it means जो रियल में लाइफ टाइम मतलब जिनकी लाइफ रह जाती है. So that's why here is used crude word, okay. So basically the full form of this word is CBR, crude birth rate. Okay, hopefully you understand this concept. Now with the help of one formula we have to find out how we calculate a crude birth rate of from the population change. So here is mentioned BI, it means a number of birth people, number of birth child, sorry for that, and upon total number of population of that particular time period. उस mid time period में क्या total number of population है. So along with that we have to multiply with the 1000. It means according to this formula here is mentioned how we write the definition of the birth rate. In a year a number of population birth, ठीक है, per 1000. So in this way you have to write the definition of the birth rate. Now come to the next part, death rate. So here is also another term used for the death rate, CDR. It means crude death rate. How we calculate? D refer for the death rate, P population, same thing, between the mid time period, and multiply by 1000. So in this way you have to calculate. It means in a year per 1000 how many number of children's death or how many number of population people's death per 1000 population. So in this way you have to calculate this birth rate and death rate both. So hopefully you understand this component, these two components of the changing of population. So because of this factor always population change, क्योंकि हर साल जो है population में birth होता है, death rate है, तो accordingly population always fluctuate according to the time period. Now one more component affect the population change. So which one we have to discuss now? Third one is the migration. Migration hopefully you understand because in previous classes you already studied about this term migration. But here I tell you what is the meaning of migration. Migration means a number of people who has moved for fulfilling their basic need from one place to other. That one is called migration. So according to that moving, this one also divided into two types, because for the migration people's thought concept is different, ठीक है. So basically according to that different concept here is migration divided into two types. First one is the immigration and immigration. Student, don't be confused, here is mentioned I and here is E. So don't be confused about that. Immigration, this one is called immigration and this one is called immigration. Sometimes so many students confused between both. So that's why here I mentioned that this one start from the I word and this one start from the E word. So immigration and immigration. So what is the basically difference between both? So now here I tell, here you have to look these two areas, place of origin and place of destination. Place of origin it means जहाँ पे किसी person का born हुआ है, ठीक है, कहाँ से वो आया है. Not only that कि born हुआ है, ये भी हो सकता है कि हम अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ जो है, जैसे आप अपना एग्जांपल भी ले सकते हैं कि आप अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ जहाँ पे आपके फादर की जॉब है आप वहाँ रह रहे हैं, ठीक है, उसके बाद आपको फर्दर एजुकेशन के लिए और कहीं जाना पड़ता है, उसके बाद जॉब के लिए फिर कहीं और जाना पड़ता है। तो इस तरीके से क्या है, जहां आप प्रेजेंट रह रहे हो दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड द प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन, और लास्ट में आप जहां पर पहुंचे फॉर द फर्दर एजुकेशन, फॉर द जॉब्स, सो दैट प्लेस इज कॉल्ड द प्लेस ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन। होपफुली अंडरस्टैंड। तो हियर आई गिव द एग्जांपल ऑफ बोथ कि व्हाट इज द बेसिक डिफरेंस बिटवीन बोथ। सो प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन इट मींस व्हेन अ पीपल immigrate, it means move from another place, from place to origin to place of destination, so that one is called immigration। ठीक है, क्योंकि पॉपुलेशन क्या है, अगर एक पर्सन यहाँ से यहाँ गया तो यहाँ पे पॉपुलेशन फ्लक्चुएट होगी, सो यहाँ पे कम हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे बढ़ जाएगा। ठीक है, तो इसके बेसिस पे क्या कहलाएगा, यहाँ पे बढ़ना दैट वन इज कॉल्ड इमाइग्रेशन, और यहाँ पर एक कम हो जाना दैट वन इज कॉल्ड इमाइग्रेशन। सो होपफुली अंडरस्टैंड दिस टर्म। सो इमाइग्रेशन एंड इमाइग्रेशन। Now come to the next part. So this migration also affected because of some factors. So the next topic is factors responsible for migration. So why the people migrate? Because of two main factors. Here is mentioned push factors and pull factors. Okay, push factor and pull factor. You know very well push it means pushing and pull it means खींचना। तो आखिर कौन सी दो चीजें हैं जिसकी वजह से पीपल को अपने प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन से प्लेस ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन की तरफ जाना पड़ता है? और प्लेस ऑफ डेस्टिनेशन में ऐसा क्या है कि प्लेस ऑफ ओरिजिन से पीपल अट्रैक्ट होते हैं। ठीक है, सो दिस इज द बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट बिटवीन द पुश फैक्टर एंड पुल फैक्टर। सो हियर इज गिवन सम एग्जांपल आल्सो फॉर द पुश फैक्टर, यानी व्हाई द पीपल मूव फ्रॉम देयर ओरिजिन प्लेस बिकॉज ऑफ अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। मे बी जहां पे पीपल रह रहे हैं they are facing the problem of unemployment. Okay, so because of that place they want to leave their origin place. Okay, so because of unemployment, poor living condition, maybe because of shortage of there is a houses, ठीक है, houses facilities there, education, health, ठीक है, maybe some natural disasters also come affect those areas, ठीक है, day by day, so some epidemics also, so many reasons because of that people push factor, people migrate from another place, from origin to destination. Okay, now next factor is pull factors. Okay, pull factor it means which type of things attract to the people to come to the destination place. So here is mentioned jobs, for a better job opportunity, attractive job is there, so that's why people want to change their area. After stability, people always want a stable life, they don't want any such kind of problem, maybe disasters or epidemics or poor health service and education, so that's why for stability of their life they move to another place. Next one is the pleasant climate. Sometimes people affected because of the climatic conditions also, जैसे हम बात करें polar areas की, या फिर extreme जो cold है और extreme जो hot areas है, people don't want to live there, so that's why they always leave their origin place and they move to the destination place. As well as health, education, I already told you, so whatever lacunas here, ठीक है, so which type of things attract here, so this one is the basic difference between the push factor and pull factor. Hopefully you understand this concept. So basically we have to discuss here components of population change, how the population change because of three factors: birth rate, death rate and migration, and this migration also divided into two parts, immigration and immigration, and these migrations also affected because of two factors: push factor and pull factor. Hopefully you understand this concept, student. Thank you for today's class. Namaste student, this is Khushbu Jha. Welcome to class 12 geography chapter 2nd, and the name of the chapter is the world population distribution and growth. In previous video we already discussed about various concepts related to the population. Afterward we have to discuss about the density of population, which factor affect the population density. Afterward we have to discuss about the components of population change. So in that video we have to discuss about three components of population change, that one birth rate, death rate and migration. We already discussed that concept also कि migration is also divided into two types, immigration and immigration, and some factor also affected, so that one push factor and pull factor. So these all things we already wind up in the previous video. Now in this video we have to discuss about trends in population growth. ठीक है, how the population's growing trend change according to the time period. So we have to discuss this concept through this video. So now let me start here. So basically first of all here is mentioned population growth is due to why the population is changed. So because of some things, some factors. So here is mentioned first one is agriculture development. According to the development of the agriculture, so populations also involved in these occupations, or their number of or strength, that one is also changed according to the time period, because easily food grains available for the peoples. Okay, now come to the next part, industrial revolution. Because of industrial revolution, so many machines, technology invented, or because of that part, the unemployment problem also fulfilled. Okay, so accordingly so many people employed. So according to that part also, population change or population growth or population increased according to the time period, because now people are capable to earn their livelihood and to take the food in the proper quantity. So because of all these things, population change. Okay, now next one is the transportations. So transportations also help to change the population growth. Okay, because according to the time period, people fulfill their basic need, how they move from one place to another place. So this type of things also show the development of the people. Okay, so in this way, transportation also show the population change. Okay, now next one is the sanitation and medical facilities. According to the time period, sanitation, it means related to the cleanliness of the country. So if you know about this, in previous video we already discussed why the people move from origin to the destination, because of some stability or sometimes sanitation problem also there. So when the people face the problem related to the medical machines or sanitation, so that time they move from one place to other. Next one is the discovery of machines. So according to the time period, so many machines invent with the help of the people, or according to that, people's lifestyle totally changed, luxurious lives they live. Okay, so according to this word also, this term also here is mentioned ki population growth change, that trend also change according to the inventions of the machines. Next one is the medicines, lots of medicines. So because of that, death rate also reduced. So because of the reducing of death rate, so again the population trend change, population growth increase according to the time period. Or basically out of all these concepts, here is mentioned ki how the population growth according to the time period. So here is population increased 10 times during last 50 years, last 500 years. Okay, so you analyze according to this data ki how the population growth change according to these facilities. With the help of all these facilities, all these changes, afterward here is mentioned 4 times in 20th century. So 4 times also increase this population growth, or approx 80 million people are added each year. So with the help of this data, you analyze how the population trend change according to the time period. Now next one is the doubling time of world population. Okay, here we discuss how the population doubled according to the time period, because here we discuss about the world population. So obvious, on the scale of that we have to discuss here. So here is mentioned more than 1 million to 1 billion peoples increased. Okay, so these things reflect how the doubling time of world population, double time में कैसे population trend change हो रहा है. So with the help of this you can analyze. Now next one is 12 years from 5 billion to 6 billions. Okay, you look the data. So according to this you analyze. Afterward, developed countries take more than developing countries. Okay, so number of the population is affected in this way also. The trend of the population change or double the population as compared to the double to developing countries. Next one, here is given the example of the country. So here is mentioned Liberia highest growth rate 8.2%. Okay, so Liberia come to this way. Latvia and Lithuania lowest growth rate. Okay, how much? -1.08%. So in this way here is mentioned or try to tell how the trend of the population change according to the time period, and how all these facilities affect the growth of the population. Or with the help of all these data you easily analyze what the role of the trend of the population growth, population change according to the time period, and how the people's life affect. Hopefully you understand today's video. Thank you for today's class.